What's going on, guys? Here, do a little bit of play recaps here. We've been trading FUTU. The past couple months here really broke down big time. Only relative PA was this action here and here after a major breakdown, right? Base out for new move down low, right? So really what I'm seeing here on the weekly time frame, right, is 35.65 is a huge level FUTU needs to hold, right? It's been the cliff, it's been the major bounce level. So when I'm looking at trades, where do bulls and bears need to step in? I need bulls to step in here or else bears run, right? Now, just off the weekly here, PA is real thin. Basically, every time 33.80 comes, you get 35, vice versa. Every time 35.65 breaks down, you get 33.80, and again, flip it, 33.80 breaks, you get 35.65, vice versa, right? Now, the other thing I want to note is our prior box over here from 33.80 all the way down to 26.80. So on the daily here, it's a bit more appealing. You can see that box here. So FUTU's kind of been on the radar here, broke downtrend, kind of consolidated under downtrend, but again, that 35.65 is the level. And as you can see, the bottom of that trend lines up nicely with that 33.80. So, we have a beautiful gap as well on the daily from 30.57 to 27.69, which makes this play more enticing to the short side. So let's flip into the entry points here, right? So basically, FUTU's been on my watch here. For I've been playing it, like I said. So when we played this yesterday, basically, this was our prior high of the day. I'm sorry, not prior high of the day. This was our prior low of the day. And what we did, we identified our box from the day before yesterday, and we basically used low of day, top of the box to play puts, targeting, really 36.81. Under that, gap fill 35.65, and then that big weekly level of 33.80, right? And just to give you reference here, there's that 35.65 entry risking this 33.80. Why I say risk, on the daily here, you can see that 33.80 was that prior low we had mentioned at the bottom of our trend. So once we had given, here we go. So 35.65 is that, the low right here, right? There's that 35.65. There's our 37.80 entry. We didn't quite get the 36.80 move down, but it looks like it was a retest breaking down. Again, this was China news-based play. We had some bad news. We got our gap down, 35.65 cleared. Great volume came through. Got our 33.80 and actually closed under 33.80. And just to flip back here, under 33.80, we get a daily close. Now we need to attack this prior low at 30.62 to get our gap fill down to 27.69. And again, just to kind of delete all this intraday nonsense, here's that weekly, right? We're entering 35.65, knowing we need to clear our prior, this prior low at 33.80, top of our box to get entry, right? And now we're looking good. So just reiterate, right? We played yesterday's prior low breakdown on entries. We closed out with a retest looking like a rejection, gap down, hit numerous targets, and now on the daily time frame here, we kind of want to go attack that gap fill. All right, guys, this was FUTU. We are still swinging these. They're up about 420%. All right, take it easy.